After the longest shutdown in its history due to the COVID-19 pandemic, production will gradually increase from today to resume at full speed on Friday, 8th of May, in line with government regulations. The company has prepared this moment in the best possible way by introducing the Back on Track program, which reflects its commitment to giving priority to its people, through new practices to protect the health and well-being of all employees. For example, in addition to introducing new rules for sharing common areas and reorganizing its environments, serological tests have been offered on a voluntary basis over the past